So with that, I'm going to just give you a brief introduction on the AI capabilities that can help you have these great, very smart applications. So I really like this graph, as you can see, and it's also easier for me to show you what is already available and what you can do with what we have here. So we can start with starter applications. We do have a specific platforms or specific applications that you can check already in our marketplace. This is one of them, the GenAI showcase application. And why this is a great place to start when you start seeing what is possible with Mendix and generative AI, because it gives you more than 15 use cases on how you can leverage GenAI in your existing applications or new application. It is like a place where you can just go test it out, see what is possible. We have there, for instance, multi-agent patterns. We have how you can build your agents or set all of the agents. We have, of course, the whole part of chatbot interface, which is very easy, or even how you can have function callings or ground your LLM in data and so on. There are other, of course, starter applications that can help you have these applications very quick as well. One will be the AI bot starter application. So, of course, when the whole trend of ChatGPT came, we also decided to be in that trend and have a chatbot interface that is very easy to download. Just put a specific keys and you're able to go. We do have an agent builder starter application, and this is just an example how, for instance, you can leverage GenAI as well in your application. So it's very simple. In the second one, it's kind of like an agent that is specifically for IT support assistant. So whenever a user has a specific problem, then it's it might just go into a chatbot, ask what is what the problem is. The chatbot extracts specific knowledge from the knowledge base, provides the initial answer. In case this is not possible or is not solving the issue of the user, it creates a support ticket. So this is very basic. Probably most companies have something like this already implemented as for IT, but with agents, you automate all of this in order to make it quicker for the user to just create a ticket, save it, and then continue their work. There are other starter applications as well, like request for proposal or RFP assistant starter application. And in case you work or have ever worked with the legal side, this simplifies it quite a lot because they need to go through a lot of questions, is a lot of manual work, and this helps them to actually validate all of the information that they need. They even have the sources. They can improve the answer, says, oh, could you please write this answer maybe more creative or shorter or maybe in another language? And of course, we do have a specific one that in case is a blank application that is able to also work with that. Now we go into the second part, which is the agents kit. And as I previously mentioned, in case you want to have a very smart application, I would recommend you to have agents in it, specifically because they are also what the future is bringing. So first of all, Mendix also has all of these parts of agents, meaning that you can have agents in your applications that are able to have knowledge bases or are able to have call specific tools. And by tools, I also mean MCP, for instance, or maybe a specific logic that you want to have in your application. You can test it directly, and it's very easy to work with them. Then, of course, in case you wanted more visual, we do have the whole part of workflows. And in this case, you can see which part of the businesses are being processed specifically with agents. And lastly, next, we have the hosting and infrastructure. Sometimes we understand that it can be kind of a lot of work to go into a GenAI vendor. There is a lot of information and might be very tedious to understand how all of these can be hosted. So now with Mendix, we provide a solution that is the Mendix Cloud GenAI Resource Packs. And this allows you to just leverage GenAI in seconds by just getting access, through the partner. And then you can have text generations, embedding generations, and a knowledge base. What is very nice is that you don't need to focus on the whole part of security because this is hosted by us. So we are the ones who are supporting in this regard. And you can have a very simple solution in seconds for applications.